हाय माय लव्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू अ हॉट समर डे। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप आप सब भी अपना ख्याल रख रहे हैं। गर्मी बढ़ती ही जा रही है। आई थिंक इतना मुश्किल हो गया आजकल शूट करना, और बिहाइंड द सीन ये रहता है कि खिड़की खोल के काम करना पड़ता है बिकॉज नेचुरल लाइट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर शूटिंग। सो बिफोर दैट आई थॉट लेट मी काम माई माइंड डाउन एंड प्रिपेयर अ रिफ्रेशिंग ड्रिंक, और मे बी इसको पीने के बाद मेरा दिमाग बहुत ही काम और कूल तरीके से एक पेंटिंग को एंजॉय कर पाएगा। सो आप भी बनाएं, आप भी पिएं, अपना ख्याल रखें, अपने आसपास सभी का ख्याल रखें। ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स गेट रेडी विद द ड्रिंक फर्स्ट एंड देन एंजॉय द पेंटिंग। So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the most requested video that was about this abstract rose painting, and you are going to enjoy making it because I'm going to be simplifying the steps for you today. So all these colors are required. In case you don't have this color shade, you can always use any other color as well. Alright, so now let's quickly get started. To begin with, I'm first going to be preparing my background. Here you can always use a canvas or even acrylic painting paper, that's absolutely optional. In step 1, we are first going to be painting the background. And now once I made this background, we'll let this dry completely. And in step 2, now we're going to be painting the rose. Before we get started, you can always mark these 2 points or anywhere the placement of the flower that you want, so that you exactly know where the composition should be. And to begin with, I always like to start from the center part, which is going to be very dark and dense, just to create that kind of seed area, at the same time all those shadows and reflection. So we're going to be doing that first, and then I'm going to be using this kind of filbert brush. It's absolutely optional. You can use any shade or any color. You can use any other brush as well, like a flat brush would also work. And then I'm trying to mix and blend colors and trying to create the shape. That's the rough shape for the rose first, and then later we can always keep on defining it. Remember, in stages you might think that the flower is not coming out that great for you, and that's absolutely optional because we have to add so many layers on top. We have to add highlights and so many different blending and coloring. Many other things are going to come on top of it, and it will come out beautiful. And in case you want to learn this painting in detail and watch this in real time, you can join me on my Patreon and also get access to 50 plus painting tutorials along with other exclusive content. So you can join me there. And now let's enjoy the entire process together. this is the final look of the painting. I hope you enjoyed making this with me. This painting is also available for sale on my art store. You can check out the link in the description box below. And I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Bye.